Hello, today I am going to teach you how to install a faucet like a pro. Before we start, here are some tools and materials you will need for the installation. A Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench, seal tape, and a pair of flexible water supply line. Make sure you get the right size of water supply line, depend on the stop valve you have at home. One end need to be 1/2 inch in order to connect to your faucet. Alright, let's get started. Depend on your vanity, you might want to take the drawer out. If you have a vanity from Water Creation, simply press the quick release button and slide the drawer out. First, remove the Connect T, washer, and lock nut from the spout. Then insert the spout from top into the deck or lavatory. Place the metal washer and then lock nut from the bottom and tighten the lock nut. The notch of the washer should be pointing backward. Screw the Connect T onto the shank. Then, insert the pull-up rod into the hole on top of the spout. Next, remove the drain face and flange from drain body by spinning them counterclockwise. Tuck down the plastic and rubber washer. Unscrew the bottom part of drain body and apply seal tape on the thread. Screw it back on. Then insert the drain body to the sink from bottom. Make sure the hole on the drain body is pointing backward as well. After that, place rubber washer on top and screw in the flange. Insert the drain face into the drain body. Beware, this hole should be at the back too. Then tighten the lock nut on the drain body. Next, grab the pivot rod and put a ball washer on both sides. Insert the short side into the drain body. And then tighten it with the lock nut. Get the rod strap and pass the pull-up rod through it. Secure it with the screw. The convex should be pointing back too. Next, press down the pivot rod and connect it to the rod strap. Secure it with the spring clip. Test out the drain system by pulling the pull-up rod. Next, take out your handle valves. One of it has a red tip. That one is for the hot side, which is the left side. Now, attach the long, flexible hose to your valve body. And then, screw in the lock nut and place a plastic washer. Insert the body to the deck from bottom and place a rubber washer on top. Screw the escutcheon onto the valve. Do not tighten it for now. Place your handle onto the valve and then remove the cap. You will see a screw. Tighten it with your Phillips screwdriver. Don't forget to put the cap back. If there is a gap between your handle and escutcheon, adjust it by spinning the escutcheon. If you have the handle with pin lock, follow the steps below. Remove the handle from the body. Then place the body on the valve. After that, tighten the pin with number 2 Allen key. Screw the handle back to complete handle installation. Now, you can tighten the lock nut under the deck. Complete the other side with the exact same steps. Next, connect the 2 long flexible hoses to the Connect T and tighten them. After that, grab the water supply line that you got and attach them to short, flexible hoses. Attach the other end to your stop valves. Finally, put the drawer back by sliding the rail until you hear the click. That's it. You can now enjoy your new faucet. Until next time, water creation, crafted for you.